Hi, in this video we are going to see the permanent assistant professor vacancies notifications from the two different colleges, and out of this one is a government university and second one is the affiliated college. So after watching this video, please share this one to your friends or colleagues who belongs to those departments. It will be very much helpful to them. And in the government university we are having the permanent assistant professor vacancies with a level 10 category. So the salary is in between 57,700 to 1,82,400 rupees per month. And if your subjects are not covered in this video, then please mention your subjects in the comment section. If I got the recruitment notification which is matching up with your profile, then definitely I will come up in the next video. And to get my next video as a notification to your mobile phones, you have to subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And if you are looking for the online personalized job consultancy, in the description box of this video I kept one Google form, so fill up that one, guys. And watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding both the two colleges recruitment notifications. Before going into the main content of this video, it is a very big announcement and the good news to the UGC candidates who are preparing for the examination, which is going to be start from this in this month, October 17th onwards. So here I am conducting the free online live classes, guys. Okay, even though if you miss the live classes, you can go to the recorded one also. For the general paper one, that is the teaching and research aptitude in English. Okay, daily evening 5:30, and while coming to the paper 2 electronic science, daily at the afternoon 3 o'clock. And whoever the interested candidates are there, I kept one link in the description box of this video, that is a Telegram group link. So please join in that group link, then you will get the regular updates regarding this free UGC online live classes from the Unacademy side. The present content of the video. So the first one here we will see the State University affiliated college, that is BNN Mahavidyalaya Arts, Science and Commerce, Thane. So applications are invited for the following clock or basis post for the academic year 2021 to 22. And coming to the subjects here, assistant professor vacancies are there in the departments of English, Philosophy, Botany, Zoology, Commerce, Mathematics, Foundation course. The total number of vacancies are 26 are there, and these 26 are divided as per the caste category here. And one more point you should note down is that the post for the reserved category, that means whatever the SC, ST, DN or DNT, OBC, EWS. So whatever these vacancies are there, these are only for the domicile of the state of the Maharashtra. And if you want to apply from the other states, you will come under the open category. Okay. And coming to the qualifications, and candidates having the knowledge of Marathi will be preferred. Qualifications, pay scales and other requirement as per the prescribed by the UGC notification dated the 18th July 2018, Government of Maharashtra resolution. Okay, and application with full details should reach the secretary Padma Shri Anna Sahib Jadhav. So whatever the address mentioned here, you need to send to this address, guys, within the 15 days from the date of publication of this advertisement. Fine. So this is the University Abroad advertisement, and it released on the 7th October 2021. So 15 days means just today itself we got this recruitment notification, guys. So from today onwards the 15 days time is there. So application with full details you need to send to the provided address there. Fine. And coming to the next one, whatever the government university I told, that is the Mahatma Gandhi Central University. So from this one here we got the recruitment notification, guys. Advertisement for the recruitment to the post of assistant professor in various disciplines. So MGCU Motihari invites online applications from the eligible candidates for the following teaching positions at the level of assistant professor shown against the department to be filled up on direct or the deputation basis. So computation science, information and communication technology, the name of the department is library and information science. Under the EWS category 1 vacancy is there and the level 10. Coming to the social sciences, economics, social work, Gandhian and peace studies, so these are the vacancies. And the humanities and languages, Sanskrit, commerce and management sciences, management studies, and education studies. Fine. So the total 8 number of vacancies are there, and these 8 number of vacancies are divided as per the caste category. And coming to the important dates here, 2nd October 2021 is a link for online application, and 1st November is the closing date for the submission of online application form. And apart from the online application, you need to send the hard copy also, and the hard copy receiving date is 11th November 2021. And the few important notice also given for the old candidates, so you please go to that one, guys. And if you are freshly applying these for these vacancies, no need of this notice for the old students. Okay. And coming to the application fee, general or OBC or EWS category 750 rupees, ST, SC, PWD, ESM women category 100 rupees. And how to apply means interested and eligible candidates have to submit the online application form through the link that is provided in the university website itself on or before 1st November 2021. and the hard copy of the online application along with the self-attested copies of the certificates for age proof, qualifications, experience, caste certificate, etc. has to be provided, and endorsement by the employer. So if presently employed in government or PSU or the autonomous or the deemed, and should reach the following address on or before 11th November 2021. Here the address is mentioned: OSD Administration, Mahatma Gandhi Central University, Dr. Ambedkar Administrative Building. Okay, so Thana, and the district is also given here, so you may check down, guys. So these are all the details, and other conditions are also provided here, so you may check down. Fine, and I will provide this PDF links in the description box of this video, guys. So to get the accurate and more details, you once visit the official website of this one, or else the link that I kept in the description box of this video. Fine. So please share this one to your friends or colleagues who belongs to those departments. It will be very much helpful to them. And if your subjects are not covered in this video, then please mention your subjects in the comment section. Okay, so if I got the recruitment notification which is matching up with your profile, then definitely I will come up in the next video. To get my next video as a notification to your mobile phones, you have to subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are looking for the online personalized job consultancy, then in the description box of this video, one Google form I kept. So fill up that one, guys. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. So if you are interested, you may continue this video. Otherwise, you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on this see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is a plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the Iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the Iconic subscription. Okay.